My best wishes to the team of Support Saturdays, professionals supporting other professionals in their corporate journey. The current pandemic has taught us several lessons. The three biggest leadership lessons that we have learned. 1. Leaders need to show empathy. Remote teams are working with poor infrastructure in multi-generational homes, and of course real estate cost being extremely high in the metros of India, very cramped conditions. So we need to show empathy to our teams. Second, of course, is the fact that remote translates to aloof. We are missing all those wonderful conversations we had at the water cooler, in the cafeteria, by the coffee machine. All that's gone now. We only connect with each other on a screen. So we need to make an effort to conduct conversations that are not just transactional or related to work, but instead to see the person behind the job or the title. Third, of course, biggest lesson has been that micromanaging has become passé. Now, it's not the number of hours that you have logged in, but what are your deliverables? Can you take ownership for the work that you're churning out? Can you convey professionalism sitting in a remote part? And of course, can you deliver to the deadlines? I've researched a lot on leadership, and for the past 3 years, I researched on executive presence, which of course now has been made into a book as well, with my own proprietary formula called the POISE formula of leadership. Executive presence is the mysterious it factor. Everybody could identify it. They knew people who displayed it, but they somehow could never pinpoint what were the skills that composed executive presence. I came up with the POISE formula. The P stands for your physical presence, your attire, your body language. Can you read other people's signals? A lot of non-verbal communication. In fact, it's 55% of conversation is non-verbal. So reading those cues helps you understand communication much better. The O stands for your online presence. People e-meet you before they actually meet you. And given the current situation, they may not meet you at all and yet do a lot of business with you. So, if you punch your name into Google, what shows up? Curate your presence and focus on creating a powerful, strong online brand. The I stands for your influencer skills, effective listening skills, displaying executive maturity, especially during the current crisis, your ability to engage with stakeholders, and of course to take ownership for your work. The S stands for your stage presence, a skill which since time immemorial leaders have shown. The ability to convey a thought in an articulate way to your audience, whether your audience is 2 people on a Zoom call, 10 people in a conference room, or 500 people in a town hall. The E stands for your engagement presence. Internally, it is interacting with your clients, internal clients, your bosses, workplace relationships, difficult conversations, and of course, giving and taking feedback. Externally, it is networking with clients, vendors, and you as a brand ambassador of your company. I wish all the best to the team of Support Saturdays and to all the job seekers who are out there hearing this video. All the best for Mentoring Mondays.